very good morning. Myself Soumya. I'm working as assistant teacher in Janana Vidya Mandira, Bengaluru. So here I'm holding CBSE get together with sample papers book, and which is very informative, where exactly we can find that when I look into it, that salient features, we can make out that there are a lot of test papers, that sample papers, and even more this entire book is full of the question papers where easily students can utilize it, and even it is teachers friendly also, and even more objective questions are there. As we all know that as per the new pattern, they have framed the questions here, and case studies are also covered in this question paper, and 1 mark questions. Now 1 mark, 2 mark, 3, 4, 5, like this we are having a question paper in that pattern. So all these areas they have covered very beautifully, and even it is very much useful for, and when it comes to map also, so they have given a lot of maps in this, so which is really the students who are all middle, average, and very intelligent students, for everybody it is very much useful and highly preferable, this book. Thank you.